I noticed when I walked by this bush that a bird flew out, and I want to see if you can see two little blue eggs. There was only one egg in there yesterday. I will carefully put that back. It has been a few days since we checked on the eggs in this nest, and the mama bird is not here, so I want us to look. Oh, there's another egg in there. We will keep looking. I noticed when I was walking by this bush where the bluebird eggs are that there was a baby bird in there, so I'm checking to see. The mother bird is not in there right now, so let's see if we can see what's going on. There, can you see? Two of them. Two baby birds. And the other egg is cracked. I don't want to scare her, but I want to see what the birds look like. And if you look closely, right in the middle of the bush, you will see that it is a robin, not a bluebird. I hadn't been able to see until today what the bird looked like. So we have robins. They have fuzz. I'm checking the eggs. 3 little robins sitting in a nest. I just saw the mama bird fly away, so I'm going to see if we can peek in here. See them? They're about grown. And I hear her squeaks, so I don't see the mother bird in here, and I do see the birds. Let's see if I can get it opened a little bit so we can see them good. There they are. I'm afraid they'll be so big that I'll miss seeing them fly for the first time, so I wanted to get them again today. There they are. And I hear mama bird, so we are going to leave them. Have a good life, baby birds.